Out and getting that defensive rebound.
Na-pressure yata tong Lasal eh. Kay Mayor Francis Zamora. Anyway, ito namang Adamson. Inside at major shaky start, Cedric Manzano finally. Session here with EJ Abadam. Here's Jonah, tries again. This time a tries here para sa Adamson. Kanina, it was Manzano. Ito na ang Lasal.
Big man for Adamson and ang daming malalaki dito sa Lasal.
Jonah Policarpio again. Shut up. Shot. And here comes Adamson. The cross court looking for an open look. Chang! Siyempre, ito naman yung pressure sa backcourt. But let's see this floater. It went ito sa panig ng Lasal. JC Bacalala is going to be orchestrating the play. Samantala, this drive, EJ Abadam. Oh, na ibanda yung floating mo ni Yanga, making both as they are up by 6 right now. Adamson, Henry Agunane.
What a
Shot well. Henry Agunane. Eto na. Talaga gusto yan. Yan naman ang gusto ko kay Kate Reyes. Nice projection of a voice to go above the noise of the bands.
Ito naman.
There's still time here. Kaya pa ba? Let's see this shot. Bang! But it's Adamson is up by 1. And 2 3-point shots made, especially that Royce Mantua shank.
Still top of the standing at 2-0.
Nag-i-scout yan. Again. Adamson down by 1. See the execution here. Adamo and UAAP bracket.
A rare turnover by Lasal. Franzman again.
Yeah, we're changing basketball as we go off. Ang Lasal chance to add up and increase their lead here. Cedric Manzano, the reverse and a drop.
Player netong Lasal. Look at their skill.
Oh!
Oh!
Of the end. Pero eto muna yung kanina. And here comes Lasal once again. Oh, wow!
Right.
Raven. Shot clock down to 7 for Lasal. It's down to 5 right now. Who's going to take the shot? Able getting it back. EJ Abadam. Raven Cortez. Adamson's third play broken up. And I know. 52-45 Lasal. Cedric fakes. Hand off inside. Nice play for Adamson right there.
Challenging the outside shooting of Adamson. Pero malaki tong 2-3 zone na ginagawa ng Lasal.
We go into a timeout. The lead is being threatened again. Ang ating Smart Signature move of the game brought to you by Smart Signature Plan Plus. Enjoy only 5G and more starting at 10. And Lasal. Just a 3-point lead for the Green Archers. Henry Agunane hosting. Can't put it up. KQ for 3. Bang! China!
Wow.
Up by 6 again ang Lasal. Kalisay against Henry Agunane.
This lineup of Lasal, big lineup. Solusyon ng Adamson was to go 2-3. Good fight. 1-point lead for Adamson. Kalisay.
Again! At halftime, coach. Hihingi ako.
Tatanungin natin yan.
61-57, it's Adamson. John Kalisay My goodness. He's got 6. As we approach the 4-minute mark ng ating third period. CJ. Atake. Oo nga naman. Nice fake. Nice move. Oo nga. Tsaka pagod na rin siguro. It's not easy to make a big comeback like that after sort of a dry spell back in the first half for Kalisay. Good nane. And this is the second. They got an offensive rebound. Nayangat Cedric Manzano and one.
Grabe. Pag pumeke, kumakagat sa peke niya. Look at that fake. And that N1 for Cedric Manzano.
And it's Lasal naman na susubok. Henry Agonane on his way to the basket. Banks it in!
The ball control, the body control of Henry Agonane changing direction just enough to use the board N1.
Lasal is up. Lasal comes up with a steal. And leading by 4 points. And there you go. That's how you execute the setup, a dunk for him.
UP versus UE and Ateneo versus Adamson.
Yan na yung updated, coach. Eli Ramos going Cedric Manzano. Mahirap-hirap pero nagawa ng paraan. Manu. Eli has it. Cedric posting. Cedric double team. Naidukot!
Now for him to get that padukot shot.
14 in the ball game for Cedric Manzano as we go into a timeout.
Turnover. Time management now for Lasal.
JC. Jonel. The Pinoy step. And was able to get the layup.
He's